going to go look at those birds. Wow, one just flew up. I am not kidding. Yes, you know I've wrecked things like this because I love that sleeve, and then it's in the spaghetti sauce. It's in the marinara sauce. It's in the whatever the Spanish call their sauce. Because we have everybody in our family. We live on a lake. It's a spring-fed lake, but it was built to feed the railroad track under chunks of rocks. I guess they call it gravel. Great big pieces of gravel. That's what this was, a gravel pit, and now it's a lake. And we're the beneficiaries, and we're still in the city. We're not in a suburb. I like that, don't you?